On the mechanical side, when it comes to your side view, you're all familiar with the side view bolt. Now you'll see that new to Caddie 30th, your LBS and your HBS series have been added to a command. So on the application, we go to mechanical, Mech draw, and you'll find the command that's called screw side view. So in this dialog itself, you'll see that your LBS and your HBS. So you're on the left hand side, first going to make use of the HBS. It's going to be diameter 6 with a length of 120. You've got your pen colors, but I'm going to ask Caddie to add an opaque behind it, and then you can ask Caddie to draw a center line as well with the extension beyond screw that I'm going to set to 20. So I'm going to say OK, and Caddie will ask us position for screw. So I'm going to zoom in, but I will look at the position of my pointer. As soon as I get the signal for the intersection, my pointer is in the direction that I want Caddie to create or draw the screw. So as soon as I'm going to left click, Caddie knows the direction and it creates the screw. Let's go back to the command. Either you can press spacebar, otherwise application, mechanical, Mech draw, and we go down to screw side view again. This time I'm going to make use of the LBS. So let's change to LBS. It's going to be 7, it's my diameter with a length of 16. My pen colors remain the same. I'm going to say OK. Caddie will ask us position for screw. Once again, I'm going to zoom in as soon as I get the signal for my intersection, but my pointer is in the direction for the screw. So I'm going to left click, and the command is in a loop, and I can go to the next one. So I'm going to zoom out. There's your 2 new series for screws.